YouTube, what's going on? It's Tez here, back with another video, and as you can see, we are back in action. We're gonna be installing these R1 Concept slotted and drilled rotors and swapping out the brake pads. So these are the ones I have on currently. My rotors is shot. The ones that came with the car, brake pads is worn out. For the front, ended up getting some Brembo carbon ceramic or premium ceramic brake pads right here. And then for the rear, I just got Duralast Gold for the back, because I mean, most of the weight in these cars is up front, like in any car where the engine and stuff is. So that's stopping force and that clamping force, not clamping force, but just like the better brake pads I just chose to get for the front. Yeah, so I got the Brembo ones and those in the back. I got some jack stands, a jack. We're about to get this job done. Shouldn't take too long, but I'm about to time lapse everything. Hopefully I get it done before the night and whatnot. So let's get into it. Alright, so I had to run the AutoZone because I tried to break the nuts loose with this, and this is just not enough to break it loose. So I had to buy that breaker bar, come back, jack the car back up, and now we are about to take the caliper off. Well, I'm about to take the caliper off. You gotta pop this thing out. Need a flathead. Pop this thing out, and it's two bolts on the back side. I don't know if y'all can see. That you gotta take loose. That's gonna take this off. You can slide that off, and then I'm gonna get to the rotor. But yeah, it's pretty dirty under there. I need to get it clean. And next is coilovers. I got the coilovers back here. As you can see, Megan Racing coilovers all around, front and rear. I just haven't got around to it. I told you I got fire videos coming. Y'all stay tuned. I'm trying to push out the content as quick as possible. I am a father. I do work. Well, I've been off, but I got a whole nother YouTube channel I take care of too. So I've been trying to push the content out, and I appreciate all the love and support y'all been giving me so far. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, scratch that. It's been a while since I did these. This is not a 16 on the back. It's like a hex. It's like a hex bolt or whatever that is. I'll show y'all. It's like one of these. I don't know which one exactly it is, but I got another set right here to open them up with. It's like these, not really these, but you can use these to open it. But it's like these on the back side. There's two of them. So all right, as you can see, we got the caliper off. One thing to note is these are different sizes. These are the things that's in the back of the caliper that you screw out. It's a hex bolt, as you can see, and they're different sizes. So the top one is shorter than the bottom one. See, now that's longer. And then you want to make sure you grease these up a little bit, because these slide in and out the caliper. But yeah, so I'm about to remove the rotor now. I'm gonna just time lapse everything. You've probably already seen all this done. It's not a DIY, it's just my version. It's just me working on my car. So so my GoPro ended up dying, but this is the finished result. I accidentally touched the rotor a little bit, but it is what it is. This is a, what's the name on it? But yeah, that's the finished result right here. Got the Brembo brake pads in. But yeah, my GoPro died. So I'm about to mount these, my bad. I'm about to mount these wheels, put my wheels back on that side. And this side I got done as well. Got the piece back on there. Brembo brake pads on. R1 concept rotors drilled and slotted on. This ceramic coating is gonna come off, but it's gonna stay right here on the hubs to prevent the rust and whatnot. So now it's just time for the rear, and yes, I'm doing this all in one night. It took me a while because I don't know why. It just took me a while. Just a little trial and error, but I'm about to put these wheels back on, and yeah, sorry if I can't time lapse this, but hopefully this is good enough. I'll try to time lapse it with my phone and whatnot, or charge it. And yeah, Brembo gave me a sticker that's going on my window. Yeah, this GoPro. %. See, it's on 5%. So I don't know. I need like 3 batteries, to be honest. But yeah, let me go ahead and do this.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of the suicidal maniac.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, got the wheel on. I'm just gonna tighten it up and everything. See, it's on there. Got that wheel, and I got this wheel on. No, I'm just about to jack up the car, take it off jack stands in the front, and just jack up the rear and get up the rear. So let's do that. Let go. Alright, YouTube, so I'm editing this video. As y'all can see, it's exactly where we left off at. I ended up not swapping out the rear rotors and brake pads because the rotors were seized onto the hub. So, and then as you can see, it's nighttime in the neighborhood. I just stopped right there. I didn't want to wake up the neighbors or just be like real loud, because I would have had to like literally just bang and hit off that that rotor on both sides. I'm pretty sure the rear right side was seized just as well. So still to this day, I think it's like a couple days later after I put the front rotors and brake pads on, that I still haven't done it. Haven't gotten around to it. I'm gonna just do it off camera. But I do have another video coming up with me installing coilovers around all four, you know, in the rear and in the front. So I did do that. But if y'all enjoyed this video, guys, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you really enjoyed it. Yeah, and turn those post notifications on. When you hit the notification button, hit all notifications so you don't miss an upload. You're not gonna want to miss this process and this road to just a phenomenon. I'm just gonna keep building this car and keep the videos coming, keep the content going. So without further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy Tez checking out. Let's go.